Hey, honey, this is Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta, and we're going to do some little cleaning and polishing of silverware today, honey, easily and properly. Listen, the all natural, most inexpensive way is to get you some warm water, some vinegar, and baking soda. That's less than $5. But you need to let it sit. My grandma used to sit overnight, but at least 2 hours. And then you should just be able to put some good old fashioned elbow grease along with a towel and clean it and polish it all right up. It's no problem. I'm just so impatient. My ADHD ain't set up like that. So I go to Walmart and get Wright's. It's a silver and it's a polisher and silver cleaner. And all you have to do is just put it on there. It comes with a sponge. Give it a little elbow grease and then rinse it off and polish it. It's done. Just quick and easy, and it makes it look so fancy and so nice. Listen, tarnish is so natural. It comes from the sulfur and oxygen in the air. It's just a natural occurrence for a precious metal. So the silverware is from the earth and it's a living, breathing thing. Isn't that awesome? I think we should all be eating with real precious metals. We should be eating from something from the earth and things that are made of the earth. It all works together. I feel like silverware has energy, just like people. Anything that's living and breathing and it has atoms and protons in it moving around, it's an energy. It has an energy. And so I keep my silver polished. But when I'm polishing it, not only do I have nice, smooth jazz or R&B on, I got my incense going, and my whole intention is that everybody that touches this flatware eats well and receives it well and digests it well. I like to get deep, honey. Somebody tell Big Daddy I got the silverware out.